stretching these out.
Satan, do you feel sexy?
I do. I feel super sexy.
Look at these titties.
Matt, do you feel sexy next to Satan being sexy?
Look at this. I can't.
Can you squeeze them? Can you rub them for the camera?
Like,
real slow, like,
slow motion.
I wish we had oil, just rub them.
So fancy.
Jackie, you're a superhero.
I took my shirt.
Look,
You don't have a cape.
We match.
I left my cape at home.
You're a failure.
If we were joined together, we'd be a sexy swim model, see?
No.
If we were joined together like this, we'd be one sexy swim team.
Oh, Satan's titties, yeah.
That's why Jackie was just like, bleh. The sexy super team, and oh, she has a whip. She's like Catwoman.
One more time.
He wants you to smack him in the butt. So Satan,
What's up?
up close and personal. Why can't you wear your shirt today, Satan?
I'll show you why I can't wear my shirt, actually.
Because Jackie does.
You see all them stains right there on the one side?
What is
And
that?
over here.
Oh, look at that one.
You know what that is? It's called a good fucking night.
That is macaroni and
Totally
cheese.
intended.
Yeah, that's what George said. Macaroni and fucking cheese, and then he licked it.
That was one.
Can you give us a sneak peek of what you're working with? Do it.
Oh my god, we can't put this on
Oh,
TV.
now you gotta squeeze them. You didn't do it right. Yes. Now you gotta flick them. Jackie, flick them. Do it, Jackie. Be like a supermodel. Be like a porn star and just flick his nipples.
Thank you.
You guys are not nice. Let's see what George and Lawa are doing.
I think we need to shave his areola.
You're licking his areolas.
You're licking his asshole.
What?
Did you see? Look how sexy Satan is. We gotta get another. Look at that. Get another shot.
I really am debating just wearing this. Like,
You should.
Gabby, can I have a cigarette so I can sit outside like this?
Yeah.
Let me go recruit you. We're just gonna sit outside and smoke a cigarette.
Are you guys having sex?
Not yet.
Not yet.
He likes
Cooter shot. Aw, it's censored. So, you missed the super sexy team. Did you see Jackie?
Yeah.
Did you see Satan?
Yeah.
Did the super sexy team? They're super
Why are you
Why are
videotaping?
you not a part of that sexy team?
Matt was playing with Satan. You can see that later in our segment
Oh, where she was sexy too?
of the super sexy team.
See
Yeah,
how you perfectly ride a girl?
yeah. That can be our next segment. This is how you ride a woman. This is how you do it right.
I'll show you how.
You gotta make sure their titties are bouncing and they are happy. And then once she's happy, the guy is happy, and he purrs like walrus.
I'll show you how to do it.
Fucking porn star status. Wet, 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 wet.
You'll never be the same again.
Run away! You touched his dick?
Huh?
You touched his dick?
No, yes, he did.
Satan, George touched your dick.
You like hold my band the entire time.
Want this?
No.
Sure.
The trouser snake.
And your penis is right again.
Again. Do you have the jelly stuff to make them angry penis? Dun, dun. The shimmy shake.
No, wish you.
You're supposed to do it to her titties.
No, you do it in your stomach.
You're supposed to do it to her titties.
Like,
But her, yes, because it makes her feel good. I'm going back to the super sexy team. Oh, you're not super sexy no more.
Like I said, you'll never be
You're
the
just
same
super.
Again.
He fucking gave the money shot.
I should've.
Jackie, you're part of the super sexy team, right? You're covered. You're covered. You're like the Band-Aid company. Stuck on a Band-Aid. You guys aren't super sexy no more. Just super.
Thanks for asking.
Ew. Oh, look for the bare necessities. I don't know the rest of the words to these.
Forget about your words and your strike.
Oh, Matt's sexy now.
Doesn't work for George. He doesn't have any titties to
I don't know if you see my shirt or not, George.
This'll work.
George, I don't know if you see my shirt or
Ooh,
not.
Matt, lick it, lick it. Oh.
Macaroni.
What? Oh,
Macaroni and cheese.
I'm not looking at.
Lick it, George. George.
Macaroni.
It's macaroni.
I'm taking that.
It's just white cheddar. It's
All
okay.
that right there is totally macaroni. There's no vagina juices or anything else on there, I promise.
It's just macaroni.
That's the whole thing. There's no.
Or so you think.
Maybe.
Dun dun dun
Actually,
dun.
probably the majority of vagina juices.
Gennardi's.
Gennardi's.
Oh, that's George. George. Gennardi boy.
Alright, go.
He can be. Watch out for that.
Everybody's getting naked. On that note, I gotta turn the camera off because this is not a porn.
Not yet,
Or is it?
buddy.
Dun dun dun.